Mm. Oh, come on. All right, first thing we gotta do is chart, get all of our trends drawn out. What? What? Sorry, guys, I'm just having to test a few things. New to this. Sorry, guys, I'm just having to test a few things. New to this. Sorry, guys, I'm just having to test a few things. Mic check, mic check. Mic check, mic check. Oh, sounds good. Mic check, mic check. Sounds good. Turn the music down just a little bit. Music down just a little bit. I don't understand why it says I can't chat though. Subscriber only. I am a subscriber to my own. Okay. Trying to get my chat to work. Streaming to YouTube is so much different than streaming to Twitch. They make it a lot easier. Yoda. There we go. All right, it works. Alright, I think we did it. Did it. We did it. Alright, I think we did it. Did it. We did it. Word. Alright, so the first thing I want to do is pull out the previous day highs and lows. It's normally what I do when I start on the Asian session. Enter my text real quick. I used to do a lot of lines and not put any text, and then I'd have no idea what the hell I was looking at. Previous day low. Previous day high. Okay. And then, oh, we're already breaking. All right, let's go to the hourly, find some see at some key price levels here. So we had some got support here. Let's see. Let's try this out just a little bit. My main price action is right up in this area. Normally when we come to this line right here, if we pass it, we're bullish. If we go below, we're bearish. So this will be kind of the main price area. Let's make that red because I do not like that. Purple. Get us a trend line going. Oh. Come on. Leave that for big trend line. All right, now we could drop down to the. I normally trade on the 3 minute, but we're gonna go down to 1 minute just because Asia's session's so slow. The chart up here is 15-minute chart. So I kind of look at that just for a bigger, higher time frame, and then I normally trade on the 3 minute. Okay, and then another thing to get my bias I like to look at, which I didn't do, I should have did this first. We'll look at the daily. So the daily we are above. We're above there, so we're bullish still, but definitely coming back down for possibly, I don't know, to fill this down this way somewhere, retest. But daily we're bullish. Hourly we are bearish. 15 minutes bearish. Okay, everything's pointing towards down, more down. We did break this trend line and the previous day low, so let's see what happens off this retest here. I know Asia session, a lot of times they like to, well, London session really likes to take out either a high or low and then go the opposite. This is my alpha futures, and I'm trying to bring it back because I'm very close to MLL. It's kind of an expensive account because it's their advanced account, which I really like because they have up to 15K payouts. You can take weekly and no consistency rule once whenever you pass the eval. The eval has a 50% consistency rule, but after. All right, let's see what it does off of this. I'm waiting for a retest of this trend or even the EMA, and then probably to, I guess, just keep going. I don't know. We got 3 different areas here. We got previous day low, trend, strong trend line. We have the EMA, the VWAP, and then the retest of this previous support. So I guess we'll see which one it bounces off of. And I'm going to enter light just because I'm trying to build a little more buffer back into this account, so that way I'm not going to blow it. But we'll see what happens. So I'm going to be entering probably like, let's say 2 micros and trailing a tight stop loss, very tight stop loss. looks like it's rejecting off of the previous support. Nope, maybe not. Don't have enough confidence on which bounce to take. It might want to. We're overall bearish, so we're just gonna wait for a good retest of one of these levels. Looks like it wants to go off this trend line here. Should have grabbed it right at the trend line. Yeah, we're gonna jump in. I'll just draw a pretty tight stop loss there. The only fair value gaps I see is this one. This one is just filled. So either IFVG there, or it keeps going in there. Guess we'll try them all. Tight stop losses. Gotta win one of them, right? Whole lot of action going on right here. Trend line, fair value gap, EMA. No, 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 no. Don't do it. It's gonna stop me out. No. Yeah, it's definitely gonna stop me out. Okay. All right, so we'll wait. Looks like it's just gonna blow right through the EMA. We'll wait for it to retest this fair value gap, and if that fails, then we'll go all the way to this resistance area right here. Going off of this, wanting to bounce off of one of these due to pretty much all the time frames showing that we're bearish. Getting a little struggle at the EMA. Oh, trade on this account's scary. I only have $100 left for drawdown. A lot of orders sitting right here. Next order's up here, which is at 21. What's that? 21,899. 21,899. It's right in this area. Now we either wait for it to fill this gap and reverse, or reverse and comes back through this gap or trend line. This is tricky because of all that right there. What to do, what to do. Actually, my IQ is 140. No. 130. Close 8 ball. Pump it up, pump it. Looks like this thing is wanting to go higher. If I had to take a guess, I would say we busted through this, which is 3 confluences: EMA, fair value gap, plus trend line, previous day low. So if we bust through this too, we might be retracing some. We have had a lot of bearish, and I did see on Financial Juice that Trump said Iranians are looking to make a deal. So a lot of this bearish action started because of obviously the Middle Eastern wars and stuff going on. Try to make this bigger for everybody to see better. Feel like I should take the stair step and back up. Let's play. Let's see what happens. We'll go right below the previous low. Now we gotta do a tight stop. So I don't have much to work with on this. Let's say right below the previous candle. Get another leg or two up, and we will trail the stop. When you're this low on drawdown, you just gotta trail each candle. It's sad, man. This is a sad life right here. I have 5 other Bullinox accounts and a Apex account that's almost passed on the Apex, and then I think like 300 to 500 on each one of the 5 accounts. It's always my good account that almost gets blown, and I was up a good amount on this account before I decided to go heavy on a trade and almost lost it. That's what always screws me. get too much confidence on something and then end up going heavy on it. It's gonna come down and stop me out and then go up, ain't it? I'm about to fuck it. Let it. I can't risk that much, unfortunately. Take it out. Go on. Take it out. There you go. Now it'll go back up. Let's catch it back here. Alright, we got a little less than 100 to play with now. Reviving account. Not the funnest thing to do. I need to just take little scalps here and there just to try to build it back up to 200-300 so that way I can find a good trade and size up a little bit on it. See, we had 2 legs down, boom, 2 legs down, boom, 2 legs down. This should go. If it doesn't go up this time, we're either going to consolidate here for a little bit. I don't want to risk that much. I'll let it stop me at 18. I don't care. I do not want to lose this account. Okay. Okay. Stupid NQ. Didn't even touch the gap. Huh. Alright, we're gonna have to wait a minute. We're gonna have to see. While we're yeah, see, that's what always happens. Now it's gonna go up. While we're waiting, let's check out gold real quick. See what gold doing. Gold looks like it's trying to make its way back. This area. And oil's been moving lately, so I'm definitely usually when you look at oil on the 1 minute, there's just dots. That's how you know it's been moving. How doesn't go higher and be a red candle? I don't understand. Oh, there we go. Like, opened here, closed here? That's confusing. Still think oil's coming down. I'm about to sell oil right now. Why did they put me way down there? The hell? Oil's tripping. Oil is tripping. A risk. I'll leave this play for a little while. I really think it's going down though. With us possibly having to deal with Iran for the peace, that's gonna bring this price back down. I don't even know what I'm doing selling oil. I'm gonna get out of oil. Dr. Pepper makes the world taste better. Dr. Pepper makes the world taste better. Alright, we're gonna short when it gets here. We'll put put one there. We'll put one there. We'll put one there. And then we'll put our stop right there. In case it decides it just wants to moon all of a sudden. I'm ready to lose this count. I don't care anymore. I'm tired of babying it. I'm just doing this because I want to see if my stream bot works. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we'll do 11 just in case. Alright, timer bot, see if you work now. Alright, so on the 15-minute, it might want to come back and retest 21924. Not retest, but fill gap. 924. Where's 924 at? 924. We have a pivot point at 968. All right. Still ain't touched my fills here. I didn't even check. We got any news tonight? All right, at 9:30, unemployment rate. We'll probably get like a tiny move for that, like a half a bar move, half a leg. Oh, it worked. Oh, that's dope. It actually worked. Hell yeah. Forecast 0.7%, previous 0.7%. I said half a candle, like a quarter candle move. What is this? TikTok deadline. Have you heard any news about TikTok? Tomorrow they have it has US TikTok deadline as one of the news events. Your TikTok's gonna get banned again. That's the deadline if they didn't do whatever they're supposed to do. Yeah. Do myself right now. Me, myself, and I. Gotta start somewhere though, right? I am live. It's a new stream. It takes time to get people's. You could watch me if you want to be a supportive person. What's the chances of getting a hookah pack before? I'm just kidding. I'll get up and do it. I gotta be right back screen for a reason. Shh. Quiet. I'm streaming to my mass audience right now. Come on, just feel me. Oh yeah, feel me. It's not gonna feel me, it's just gonna drop down, ain't it? But I guess it's gonna come back, tap this, go. Man. Don't do me like this. You ever get that feeling like you just want to go and get one in there because you know it's gonna go down, but the moment you do, it's gonna spike up? That's how I'm feeling right now. See, look, I know it's dripping. I know it's dripping. But the moment I put one in, it'll moon. Alright, well, while this is trying to figure it out, I'll be right back. Oh, and I'm back. And, oh, look at this shit here. I knew it, like, almost caught my fill and then went down. That's how NQ does me. That's how it does me. Now it's gonna bounce off this trend line and go up, ain't it? Yeah, it is. I'm gonna get in right. I'm gonna get in right there. Boom. I don't care what it does. We're gonna go stop right. We'll give it, let's see, what's that, 22? Really only trying to give like 15 per trade. Come on, man. Oh. Just want to dump hard right now, huh? Catch it short. It's wanting to go. It's wanting to make a new lower low. It's wanting to come stomp me out. Oh, I can't risk. Come on, baby. Give me another leg. I'm gonna lay down. Give me just a little bit. Just give me a little bit. Like 19. I'm down to why is it freezing up on me like that? Get it together. Refresh this. Oh man, I'm down to like 30. I'm down to like $33. Oh, this is horrible. This is how to not trade. Alright, we're gonna try this again. Close that out. That's $14. Alright, so now we're back up to almost $50. Quick little scalper scalp. And then I think that's gonna keep going down, so I'm just gonna put one on it if it snaps back up a little bit. Come on, come close that right there, boom. I'll put that right there. It's $14 risk. Which normally, if it's going to keep falling, it's not going to come back up and go past this. Because if so, then it's either A, going to chop or slowly fall. Bounce around, you know. Catch one more short. Let me move that up just a little bit. Boom, baby! I don't know how that happened, but we got 100 off of that bid. Hell yeah. What just happened? I gotta check financial juice. Something just happened. Something crazy. Let's see. I don't see nothing on financial juice. Let me refresh it. Nope, nothing on financial juice. I don't know what's going on, but this bad boy is just dripping. Why did the markets get so crazy all of a sudden? Let's go. Oh, close all these. I don't want all that now. I don't want all that action. Now we almost 150 up. That's what you call luck right there. That's what that was. This tape is flying right now. All right, let's figure this out real quick. Let's figure out what's going on here. Let's go to the 15-minute. So I know we got up there, but I still want to get a bigger view. Let's see. So normally when you got a big wick down like that, let's come and look over here. You got a big wick down like that. Big wick down. Come back and retest a little bit. Let's get back on the 1 minute. This is looking like it's gonna come back up. I'm gonna buy one right there. Put a little stop right there. It's only $18. $18 risk, ain't no biggie. We're gonna try to catch this move right back up to, that'd be $50 right there. Now you know what, we could risk. We'll risk. Give this one a little more room to play with. Because I feel like that came out of nowhere and instantly wanted to pop back up. I can't believe Financial Juice ain't got nothing. There's no way that just happened out of nowhere. Something had to happen. Somebody knows something. Somebody knows something. I know 50's a lot to risk, but I'm tired of getting stopped down these little plays. If it gets right here, we'll buy one more. You know what? We'll put it right there. Come on, fill me in before you go back up. Just fill me here. Boom. I'll put 77 on risk there to get another 143 if we can. Come on, baby, don't do me dirty. I gotta move this back up to get on 50. No. Psychological game of this is crazy. I'm willing to scalp. I don't even care if you just come up, just give me a little bit. They're getting a lot of resistance right here. I might, if it comes to touch this one more time, I might add one more and just put my stop there. It'll be worth the risk because I'm so low on this account. I gotta get a little bit built back up in there. Broadcom rolled out VMware Cloud Foundation 9.0 for a better private cloud experience. What does that gotta do? What does that gotta do? Huh. Okay. I don't like how we're doing a little consolidation right there, though. I don't like that. I need you to pop. Look at all that. No, you want to go back up. There we go. Now we're just going to trail it. Oh, or no. We'll go here with it. No, we'll take that. Oh, I just missed it. Are you kidding me? I hit the close right here and it whipped down. It's like this market knows. Okay, either way. We started $30 from MLL to $150, $153. So we're doing all right. We are back, baby.
Yeah, I do think this wants to keep rising. I normally wouldn't buy.
I wait for it to come out and retest, but I want to add to it. So we know this is a good support because every time it's tried to touch, it hasn't. This is a better support down here. So until we get some fills, actually, I'll just put it down. No, I don't want to risk that much. Gotta have good risk management. Really only want to risk $20, really. I know it'll probably stop me out, but you gotta keep it tight.
It's looking like one of those ones where it just
starts getting little white candles to get back up out of this negative res. That's what I'm thinking. I'm not a professional, but they're getting a lot of wick action right there too, though. We might want to just trail this close. If it stops me, it stops me. That's fine. Go and stop it out. That's fine. It's getting a lot of resistance there, but the resistance trailing up, which means it's still kind of pushing up. So we can get back in it. Come back down here. That's a little redundant, but I got a strong confidence that it's wanting to go back up. It's wanting to bust through that little overhead right there. If we can get one of these moves where it starts doing this, I can add to the dips. That way we can start building this account back up without having to worry about blowing it. That's the idea. Because every time I add on a dip, I can just pull my stop loss. We'll wait, because I think it's still gonna go up. It might come back down. I don't want to. There we go. Let's see.
Yeah, we'll let it ride. I know we got 15 minutes for the only red news.
Which was Australia. Oh, that's right. That ain't gonna move. We don't even have to worry about that. We don't even gotta worry. Kind of break through this price confluence right here. It's gonna have some resistance in that area. My handy dandy highlighter. It's gonna have a little confluence right there. That's to be expected. I want to grab one here because just in case if it does come down, that's not all I'm willing to risk. It's gonna have to be one of those movements where it just comes up, gets a pullback, add, comes up, gets a pullback, add. It's gonna be a slow grind, but man, I really don't want this account to be gone. These Alpha Future advanced accounts are like probably my favorite. Pull back off of that. Build up some liquidities. Come back up and bust through it. Retesting previous day low. Which it blew past this earlier with no problem, so it's really irrelevant at this time. I can remove this. It ain't previous low no more. Yeah, we'll go ahead and get that out the way. Yeah. It's getting a lot of wick action. We're still on the up. We're still on the up move though. I want to at least see us fill this engulfing candle. Or inside bar, whichever Pine would call it.
This candle right here went crazy.
That's to tell you, this area right here has got a lot of support. Let me draw that level out. Let's go back to let's go 30 minute. There's a lot of support in that level right there. I should mark that out. Let's see. I don't ever really look at the 30 minutes. No, the 30 minutes is wiki. That shit's wiki as hell. Whole lot of wick action. This is still kind of looking bearish on the 30 minutes. Ugh, give me up to 30 minutes. I don't like the 30 minutes. Having a hard time breaking through this. Forget upward. That's a bear flag, ain't it? Because a bull flag would be. Yeah, that's a bear flag. There's too many indications that just. What's the word? Complex each other. It's like the more you learn, the more you start spotting. You're like, oh well, the trend line, but then the fair value gap, but then the. You know, It's just like, but the candle pattern, they all start to contradict each other. Because my trend line saying it's going to go up. The fact that we dropped hard and bounced hard off this is a lot of volume, which tells me it's probably going to push up. But this bear flag here is fucking it all up. That's telling me it's going to go down. So we got what? Two things saying it's going to go up, one thing is going to go down. We're going to take the 2 for 1. The 2 for. China bank injects 203 billion yuan via 7-day reverse repost at 140% versus prior 140%. Okay, whatever that means. I might have to throw a giveaway on this stream, then I'll win something. So I'm the only one watching it.
Just breaking the tread, breaking the tread. Don't break the line.
We need you. You're supposed to be supporting. This is like the tiniest trend line in the world. This is more just for it really ain't no trend line. It's more just for moral support at this point. It's not a real support line. It's just make me feel better about this damn trade. I got the real support line here. I got the moral support line here. Huge spike in volume. Where did we open at? Let's see, this was 7. So we opened way over here. A lot of times Asia likes to trade one way and then comes back to its open, so I don't know. We'll see. We will see. I definitely want to ride this grind all the way back up to this box, which is where price likes to mainly hang out at. Always seems to come back and touch the magic box. The real support line, it's not trustworthy. The moral support line, it's hanging on. That shit's strong. I'm definitely feeling a lot less confident about this trade, though. I might have to bring this close. We'll risk the. Nah, screw it. If it's gonna, no, because I know it likes to wick before it goes up. $42, $36. We'll risk 20 on it. So we're up what now? 150? 150? 20 be up 130. Yeah, baby. Get it going. There you go. Bust through this red dildo.
But we gonna trail it this time. I don't even care. I'll take the $16.
But it's gonna bust through. It's gonna bust through. Nah, let's pull it back because it's wanting to bust through. I don't want to give up. I don't want to give up. I have to say that moral support line definitely hung in strong for us. Don't do that. Go. Why y'all selling right there? Come on, man. There you go. You're breaking it. Now close above it. Yeah. It's crazy how there could be so much red on the tape, but price is still going up. If that don't tell you this shit ain't rigged, I don't know what does. I want to punk out and take the $22, but just to get me up, you know. If we get up to $50 though, then we'll be up to a solid 200, which puts me in a lot better standing with using 5 micros. I'm gonna start snowballing this account a little bit. It's gonna start pulling back again, ain't it? Now this area should become a little bit of resistance though. If it does pull back, I shouldn't pass that. Pull back, bounce, get another leg up. That's how price action be working. Y'all feel me? I know these trend lines don't really do anything. It just more makes me feel better about the trade. Because now it's got to bust through this one, and this one before it goes in the wrong for me. Got 3 lines of defense on these candles. Man, I ain't got no viewers. I'm gonna have to get my mama to start watching this. Start bumping up my viewers. She'll be able to add one right off this support line right here. So we're gonna buy the dips. We're gonna limit buy one right there. Nah, I'm gonna go right there. And if it don't come back there on this one, we'll catch the next pullback. All right. Still ain't busted this red dildo yet. That's a little gapper right there. If you're gonna come down, only come down to get my fill. And go back up, baby. All right, we got the Australian news just pop. What's that gonna do for us? Let's see, they forecasted 4.1 and the rate was 4.1. They forecasted employment change was negative 2.5K. So that's good. That means this should go up. Who really cares about Australia's unemployment though? I've never sat here and been like, man, I wish them Australians could get more jobs, you know? There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Pump it. Pump it, baby. Let's get to 50. Where's 50 at? 60. Do I really want to do that? Nah. Let's go. I just want 50. I'll be happy with a 50 fill. Right there. Just tap that for me. Give it a little tap, tap, tap.
Come on, baby. Yeah.
Alright, now this is the new resistance line. We'll buy off of that. We can get rid of the red dildo. See ya. Okay. Now we up 200. Now we can pump this shit 5 contracts. Let's get rid of this. Actually, that trend line been holding on kind of strong. We'll get rid of the moral support one, since that was kind of just for me anyways, you know. Won't really need that. Oh, this fair value gap's been filled. We can get rid of that. This is the new. This is the new right here. No. Right there, that's the new. It's overall been bearish, almost filled this. So if it fills this, I might catch a short because I'm still thinking it's bearish. But the problem is I could trick myself into thinking it's bearish or bullish at the same time. So really, I don't know. Oh, I gotta draw some chart art from my Discord. We have a chart art giveaway once a week. I can't say giveaway. We have a chart art GA once a week. Calling it the Chartist of the Week. We want to turn this red. We want this red. We like red. All right. Let's draw some eyes on it. Got some funky looking eyes, but that's okay. Give it a little nose action. Yeah. Gotta give it a little arm over here. When did I get in a trade? Ooh. Trying to distract me from my chart art. The hell? Give it some pupils. Some big ass pupils. This thing is high as hell. What else can we do for the little chart art? Let's give it a tongue. Paint it red. Give us some candles. A little candle action. I'll paint the candles up a little bit. There we go. We gotta take a picture of it. How do I get rid of that? How do we get rid of that watermark? Canvas, watermark. There we go. That's my chart art right there. I'll go post it up in my Discord. Chart art post. Paste. Boom, baby. I'm gonna win the giveaway. I got my first member today. Okay. I got a member. That looks dope. Alright. Enough flexing the Discord. All my fans. get back in this trade. Looking like came down. We made a new lower low, a new lower high, to possibly make another new lower low. I don't know, because that was a big ass low. I don't think we make another one of those anytime soon. I still think it wants to tap this gap and this gap and definitely this gap. Or that's not a gap, that's a key price area. Could be instead of looking at it like a lower low, lower high, it could be this was crazy, and then we made a new higher high, higher low, higher high. That's a lower low. What do we do in that situation? That means they don't know which. No, so it's got to be this. It's got to be lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. But it ain't gonna bust through that because that was crazy. That's what I'm going with. That's my professional technical analysis.
We want to get short. We want to do it right about there.
I think we missed it. I think we missed it. We'll move it in a little closer. Tap me in, baby. Tap me in. There we go. How much risk is that? 47. No, we don't want 47 on the risk. We'll let it go to 20, 25. Maybe a little bit higher just to get through that right there. It's 32. We'll give it 32. Looks like Mechano Monster shooting a laser beam. Give it some laser eyes. The NFTs, remember they had the laser eyes? Boom. Make that shit thick. That's another one. Gotta make them even though. Yeah. Shooting that price. Oh god dang, $50, we'll take it. All right, we are up $250 now. Look at these laser eye supports. These are laser eye trend lines. Laser eye trends. That's what that's the technical analysis you need. Laser eye trends. Somebody will come in here and be like, what the hell is all this craziness? I crack myself up. Them laser eye trend lines though, they be busting.
Don't ask me how it works. It just works, you know.
Wouldn't it be crazy if it just like consolidates in the laser eye trend lines all the way down? I'll have to draw this stupid fucking thing on every stream if that's the case. We don't want that. I think we got this up. We got this up to 250. I think it's time to leave a break on this one. Let's see how many times we traded. Don't look at don't look at this. It's ugly. Why is it gonna say we only up 109? No, you lie. We're up 250. The math don't. The math ain't mathing right. What happened to my laser eye? Come on, man. My laser eye trend lines were perfect. Get rid of this stupid arm. EMA is kind of drawing it for us, so, you know. Don't you dare break my laser eye train eyes. I'm all out of Dr. Pepper. I need a payout so I can reinvest my money back into 2-liter Dr. Peppers. I think I'm done with this guy right here. Let's check out what we got on Bullinex. We got up almost 300 on that one. Only $70 on that one. Up 644 on that one. Up 307 on that one. Up 556 on that one. They all looking clean. It's good. But we want. I've been streaming for 1 hour and 40 minutes. And we ain't got nobody. Damn. I might have to play some chess while I'm waiting. I might have to play some chess. I see what you're doing, big guy. You're gonna put that right there. I can do that too. Why would you do that shit for? That was stupid. I get rid of that guy. Could take that. He'll have to move that. No, he'll lose that. Oh. Boom. Boom, baby. Take it. I dare you. Oh, I got you, sucker. I think. I think. He didn't do it. He got me. Oh, you're just a bitch. What you gonna do now? Man, them laser eye trend lines are really holding it together. Goes there, he gets that. Oh, he didn't want to eat. What an idiot. Man. See if he's dumb enough not to move his queen. Oh. You lose that pawn. Motherfucker. The fact that he's let me get this far with just a queen or a king, it's crazy. Oh, okay. Whatever. What the hell just happened? Is the charts moving? Nope, standing between them down. Laser eye, trend eyes. For real, I should just take the down. Short from here and long from here. Last time I got these levels, it got crazy. Let's check up on the news real quick. Trump said U.S. may or may not join Israel. Okay. You know we're going to. Stop teasing it. Let's do it already. Alright guys, I think I'm going to wrap it up for the night. For anybody that watches the playback, thank you. Like and subscribe. I'm going to be streaming more. Try to do it daily if I can. But, yep. You guys have a good night.